here are a few basic need-to-know tools in Google Slides that you'll be using quite frequently. First of all, and most importantly, is the Save command. There isn't one. Google Slides automatically saves your creations to Google Drives to open again later. It is recommended, however, to name your document. We'll call this masterpiece Virtual Classroom. Hit the Enter key and it's saved. Now let's do some fun stuff. HDTV has nothing on Google Slides. Decorating your virtual classroom is going to be hassle-free. No trips to Home Depot or Target, and most importantly, no swipes of the debit card. You should now be looking at a blank Google Slide screen. It needs some energy. Let's add a rocket ship. Click on the Insert menu up at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Image, and then search the web. Google Slides is part of Google Suite, so every aspect of this application is connected to the Google universe. That means that your image will be found within Google Images. Let's find one we like. I've got my rocket ship positioned on my slide where I want it, but there's a border around the picture. That's an easy fix. Double-click on the image and you'll see that the corners and sides have black markers on them. This indicates you've switched from scale and position mode to crop mode. Move your cursor to one of those black markers, click and drag to remove that pesky border, and then click anywhere on your slide. That border's history. Now that you know how to insert images, play around with your design. Add a background, text box, or shadow to your images. I have 2 designer tips for you. Number 1, search for transparent rocket ship. This will give you images with transparent backgrounds, like the one you see here. Number 2, add a drop shadow to give your images some dimension. Click on the image you added, select Format Options from the top menu between Replace Image and Animate, and then check the box next to Drop Shadow.